Hello, everybody. Welcome to 10 Minutes Talk Show with Padmu. Today, we have here again Mr. Padmanabhan with us to demystify the perception surrounding the concept of insurance in the next 10 minutes. Welcome back, sir. So, there is one saying a person who dies without adequate insurance should have to come back and see the mess that is created. I always observe, sir, whenever we buy a house, we insure it immediately. We insure even our car. Even our mobile also gets insured immediately. When we take so much care and concern over all these depreciating assets, why do we turn blind eye towards the most valuable asset that is our life? I want to know what's your opinion on it, and do we really need insurance?
Yes, actually, everybody needs insurance. For a simple reason, it is very difficult to carry our own risk. Say, for example, if you take Amitabh Bachchan and Sachin Tendulkar, they are also taking insurance cover for their life. So, whether it is a small person or a big celebrity, everybody needs insurance. Normally, the insurance is not for the person who is taking, it is for the family or their loved ones. So, if somebody is really concerned about their family, definitely they will not hesitate to take a insurance cover. And I wanted to explain with a simple story. Say, for example, if you are going to a temple and you find there are so many chapels outside, and there is a person who is also safeguarding the chapel, and he is charging 2 rupees. And you have the option whether do I need to pay 2 rupees, or I can also leave the chapel outside the temple and go and see the god. In case if you leave the chapel outside and visiting the temple inside, then your mind will not be with the god. It is always thinking whether the chapel will be safe or not. But instead, if you pay just 2 rupees, you are buying a peace of mind. See, insurance is nothing but you are buying a peace of mind. In fact, there are two recent incident happened which clearly tells you how important the insurance cover is. I wanted to share the slide with you.
Okay.
See, actually, this is the claim settlement happened to Mr. Dr. A. Simon, who sacrificed his life by treating the COVID patients.
Sir,
Actually,
excuse me, I can't see the image.
you can't see the image?
Yeah.
1 second. Now?
Yes, sir, now it's coming. Yes, you can proceed.
Actually, Dr. Simon, who sacrificed his life by treating the COVID patients, and he got a claim settlement within 2 days. And another one is Mr. Amit. He is from Delhi Police, who started. Did you see the image? Hello?
Yes, sir, I'm able to see. Yes.
Yeah. See, actually,
To see.
yeah, he started paying the insurance premium in 2016, and he paid around 5.23 lakhs, and he got a claim settlement of 21.09 lakhs. And the death happened on 5th, and the claim settled in a couple of days. So whether you are a small person or a bigger person, whatever be the money which comes to you, it will be very handy. So insurance, there is no choice whether you need to take insurance or not. Definitely, everybody needs insurance.
So there is no option. You're not going to give us any choice. So it's a must.
Yes.
Okay. So there is one more question. It's a very common question. What are the different types of insurance available?
Yeah. See, the insurance can be classified many types. So we will go one by one. Say, for example, the first and foremost is a term insurance. Term insurance is nothing but you are covering your risk and paying a risk premium, which is very, very less. And that is the best insurance plan one definitely look into. And another popular is the endowment policy, wherein you need to pay for 20 years or 25 years. Whatever the premium you paid during the 20 years or 25 years, you will get double. So it is more of a insurance as well as a investment option. And another is a money back policy, similar to endowment policy. The only thing is you will be getting a 20% of what you have paid as a premium once in 5 years, so that the maturity amount will be slightly lesser. And another is a whole life policy, wherein you need to pay for 60 years, and whenever you die, the whatever be the insurance cover, that will be settled. But generally, we will not advise whole life plan, because insurance is not to make any revenue out of it. Insurance is to only protect, and how long we need to protect financially is as long as we are working for any organization or working for ourselves. So generally 60 or 65 years will be the ideal thing. Then comes to ULIP, unit linked insurance plan, wherein the money is instead of investing in a debt securities or fixed instrument, it goes to the stock market. So it allows the money to participate in a stock market over a period of 15-20 years. So it has the ability to generate 2 or 3% more than the traditional insurance plan. 2-3% more for the 20 years compounding will be very huge. And another is a child plan, wherein everyone would like to take insurance in the name of children. But personally, I will not recommend. It is more of an emotional connect, but the return will be very, very less. And final one will be the retirement plan or pension plan. So it is also similar to that. The challenge is at the time of maturity, you can take only 1/3 of the money as a commutation. The remaining money you have to buy a annuity plan. So that is chargeable. Instead, we can invest in a mutual fund and opt for a systematic withdrawal plan.
Okay. So you can couple the concept of retirement also along with insurance, right? The next one is my question also, along with the viewers. It goes like this. I have taken an already 5 insurance policies and paying nearly 1.5 lakhs per annum. How do I know if it is sufficient or not?
Yes. See, actually, insurance, it is not about how many insurance plan you are holding or how much you are paying year on year. See, at the end of the day, what is the life cover that matters? Say, for example, this 1.5 lakh amount you are referring, probably 10 times of the premium, it will be 15 lakh or 20 lakh. Definitely, the person who has taken this particular policy is earning a minimum 10 lakh per annum. So this money is not at all sufficient. Actually, we call it as a under insurance. So instead, he can take only one insurance, which is a term insurance, and he can cover a more risk cover.
But is there any standard formula you have, like this?
Yeah,
this must be the percentage.
Yeah, normally the standard formula will be 15 times of their annual salary. Say, for example, if somebody is earning
3 or 15, sir?
15 times of their annual salary. Say, for example, if somebody is earning 10 lakhs per annum, it will be 1.5 crore is a life cover.
Okay, fine. Right. Yeah. The next question is, can I choose insurance for my investment?
See, insurance is never ever be an investment. It is like, you are asking a masala dosa in a Chinese restaurant. So, see, the reason is insurance is a contract. So whenever there is a contract, you need to stay along for the entire period. If you break the contract, the penalty will be huge. So instead of taking insurance as an investment, take insurance cover, that the risk cover, and the investment into a mutual fund. So it is a deadly combination, so that your investment will not be at any cost, it will not get affected. And if you need money in between also, you can take it. And the risk premium what you are paying is very, very less. So never ever consider insurance as an investment.
So my last question is, how much I need to pay for insurance cover if I want to protect my current lifestyle?
Okay. See, actually, insurance is, say, for example, if somebody is 30-year-old, he is earning 10 lakhs per annum. So the next 30 years is a crucial period. If he take care of his family for the next 30 years, then the family will be secured. But there is no guarantee that the person will be alive or not. So for a 30-year-old male, for the next 30 years, taking a 1 crore life cover cost him only 12,000 rupees. In case,
Okay.
if instead of a male, if it is a female, it will be around only 10,000. The reason is female will tend to live longer than the male. That's as per statistics. And in case if you are a smoker, then you need to pay 20% more than the normal person. So we advise not to smoke. You are unnecessarily paying 20% more. Instead, that money can be diverted to a investment option so that you can have a better return in the future. So that is how the insurance policy works. Okay. See, actually,
Sir, you said you had some visuals with you.
yeah. See, so far we have only discussed about what is insurance plan and all the benefits. But I have a small video that will capture the best moments about the insurance policy. I just wanted to share with you all.
Sure. Sure, sir.
Your family means everything to you. You work hard to provide for their everyday needs and future dreams.
I think there is
Have
a
you ever
problem in video.
thought how their dreams will be fulfilled in your absence?
Hello?
Who would
Excuse me.
provide for their daily needs?
Video is
Who
not
would
coming, sir.
provide for your child's higher education?
Yeah.
How will the marriage expenses of your loved
Audio is clear, but video is not coming, sir.
1 second.
Can you check at your end?
Yeah. Did you see now?
Yeah, video.
Your
I can see the
family
video now.
means everything to you.
Video?
You
Yes, sir.
work hard to provide for their everyday needs and future dreams. Have you ever thought how their dreams will be fulfilled in your absence? Who would provide for their daily needs? Who would provide for your child's higher education? How will the marriage expenses of your loved ones be provided? So, take the first step towards securing and protecting your family's future. Make sure that their dreams are fulfilled even when you're not around. Give the wonderful gift of life insurance to your family. Act today and secure and protect your families tomorrow.
Yes.
Very nice. So insurance can be considered as a gift. Am
Exactly.
I right, sir?
Yes, yes.
So I think we have enough unraveled about the facts and fallacies running around this concept. By this time, we have a fair idea over what is insurance. It is a purchase. It is a purchase of peace of mind. It can never be an investment strategy, but it is the best risk mitigating tool. And it is not just for you. It is for the entire family. So if you're going to love the family, you will never hesitate to buy a insurance policy. And I'm sure all you guys are loving your family. But viewers, do remember to title your financial consultant, because he is the guiding force. So much, sir, for this wonderful interaction. We look forward to hear from you more